It's lit. So hey, we got our hot dog natural gas heater, which I doubt I will even need. But just nice to have up there to get the shop up to temperature real quick, because Chris's bay is going to be heated, their bay is going to be heated. It's all going to radiate in here. And on top of that, I'll have this. So that's freaking dope. They were going to put it like right like there in the middle. And I asked Chris if they could kind of stuff it into the corner, and they did that. So awesome. Very good spot for it. So first orders of business today. The copies of the key I made last night. Like I said, only Callie's worked, which was kind of dicked. So I didn't put it on my key ring, so I don't have it with me. Yeah, I just checked again. Don't have it with me. So I'm waiting for Chris to come back with my original key so I can go make... I'm going to make 2 more copies of it just to be safe, in case one of them doesn't work. But I'll make 2 more copies of it when I drop off Jimmy's... I got to drop off Jimmy's ratchet straps here and Justin's pipe from yesterday, since I don't need it. And my buddy Corey said he may or may not have some 4-inch pipe laying around from his Cummins exhaust, his old setup, because I think he went to, I think he switched to 5-inch, so he used to have a 4-inch exhaust. So, yeah, might be finishing up the, regardless, I'm working on the van today, because there's like a bunch of just random bullshit that I kind of want to do to it. And I think anything would be progress, but if I can get the exhaust done today, minus the tip. I'm currently waiting for the comments to kind of like spool up about which tip they like, but you guys like better. So yeah, that's the plan for today. And I'm really excited about that gas heat, the natural gas furnace heater, whatever you want to call it. Fucking dope. They got that shit up like it had to have been today. Never mind, Jimmy is going to a drift event tomorrow. That's why he asked me if I brought the things back, so it's too late for that. But what I can do is clean up all this, move stuff out of the way so I can get the van back in here. Alright, well, gotta run to Walmart. Need Sawzall blades and possibly clamps. I don't know if I want to weld this. I want to be able to take it apart. I genuinely don't know why I still come here. Every time I just leave like, oh, well, they didn't have this, they didn't have that. Back to the shop. I give up. I started the van. Yes. No. This thing is fucking beaut. Look at this freaking thing. The boy is here. The fuck doesn't mine sound like that for, dude?
What up, dude?
What's going on?
Not much.
It down before we have Exxon's dad burn it down for insurance. Or Exxon, we have to go to Vinny's. Why? Just bring the fire extinguisher. Matter of fact, do not. What's nice about this, dude, I'm not used to this. I don't gotta jack shit up. I can just fucking come through.
Dude, my truck, I can work out that thing comfortably. I can sit up.
Sit. Oh yeah, it's lifted. Ah! Allahu Akbar. Okay. So I got this here. It was in fact 3-inch. I don't know. I measured it last night. I'm fucking shot. So I got this coming over here. I gotta go from here to here, and that's it. So I need I think it's 19 inches that I have. So I need like 22. I don't know. I'm gonna cut the drive shaft and use that as a fucking exhaust.
There you go.
No, I think I just need to cut this here and cut. I could probably get away with just cutting right there, and I'll rob the hangers off that too. Funny, you trying to fight his fucking dad. Just like I can hear that conversation. Like, now we have beef. You try to kick my dad's fucking ass.
Yo, for real. I was just like,
I'm gonna avenge my dad's honor right now. We'll fight for his honor. it's just gonna have the title exposed. Like, that's it. Like, not even my name, not like Haggard, nothing. Just like exposed. And just wait. Like 3 years later, someone finally finds it, and they're like, "Whoa!" They're like, "Fuck! I was past tense clickbaited."
I have to say, I do not like real life airplanes because I forgot somehow I ran into someone and they started talking about Haggard. I was like, oh, that's cool. And they started talking about you, and I was like, oh yeah, no, I know Damian. And they're like, yeah, me too. I watch all his videos. I'm like, no, like we're friends. And he's like, no, yeah, we are. I was like, no. I actually fucking know.
Yeah, like, I don't watch his videos like that.
Yeah, like.
What
like,
the?
oh, you know Damian? I met him once at the show. I'm like, no. Our moms used to sit on front porches and talk shit about us.
Yeah, like.
I know.
Dude, that's what like Nick does. He like wears his mint shirt to bars and like starts up conversations with people.
Oh my god, dude, I got like the...
So yeah, the exhaust is definitely welded very good. Exposed. Exposed. It's mostly there. We'll see what is. I mean, it's a diesel, you know. Fuck, wait to start. Sounds like a 6-liter with
That's
that.
your EBPV. That's an exhaust back pressure valve. When it's cold, it closes the outlet on the turbo a little bit, so it has more back pressure, so the truck warms up faster. It reuses more exhaust gases than letting it all out.
Dude, I've been wondering what that was the whole time. Like,
Yeah, no,
because I'm like, oh shit, it just sounds like fucking boost.
Yeah, no, that's a normal 7.3 thing. When they cold, it goes away when they're warm. You can unplug that so it doesn't do it anymore. It's just a plug on the turbo. You unplug it.
Cali did fucking donuts.
Really?
They put up cones.
Yeah, it's perfect.
It runs fucking good for like what it is though, right? 95.
Yeah, no, it's not bad.
$1,000. The turbo don't make no weird fucking noises.
Yeah.
Somebody give me an idea for a giveaway so I can buy my boy's truck.
Honestly.
Unless you want to do a giveaway on the truck, dude.
Oh yeah, fuck it. Let's do a giveaway.
You see this? You fucking truck hurts. Look, my boy don't got no damn trailer on his shit.
Nope.
Look, they're not flipped out, you fucking moose life butt hurts.
I fucking hate Cummins fags. I really do. No, I really do.
Yo, why isn't there a C on your back window, dude?
Because I don't suck dick.
It's a fucking diesel 2J, dude. Yo, do that again? Dude, it's a 1.8T. This dude's like
We sound the
Bruther.
same.
There's a fucking GLI all over there. Fucking this guy, dude. All right, well, me and Corey just been sitting here chilling, and it's dumb late, so I have to fucking end the video. I thought I was gonna do something else. I forgot what I was gonna do. Tomorrow, I gotta put this in my car. I want to bring this to the scrapyard tomorrow and see how much I get for it, and see if that pays for the tip. And yes, I ordered the black tip. You guys all were bugging out in the comments about. I figured you guys were gonna like the black tip because it's a white van. Everyone's like, yo. But when I paint the van black, I'm gonna have a black tip. You guys ain't gonna see it, so you're gonna have to vote on another tip. But that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Exposed.
Exposed.
Exposed as fuck.
Exposed.
I'll see you guys next time, dude. Thank you for watching. Peace.